So here we go. Put today's date 13 and here it is. Start.
Something is blocking the screen.
Yeah.
It's gone. Check.
Ma'am, the questions are blurred.
Ma'am,
They're not.
Please, I don't want anything. You have to do it. Mute yourself, all of you. First one is a 1 marks, next are 2 and 2 marks. So 5 marks total. Ashwin and Maurya, put on your videos. If you do that, then need not give the test. Maurya also. Maurya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
The video should be on.
Ma'am, can you read out the last question? Blur for me.
Solve each of the following quadratic equations. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0.
Thank you.
Ma'am, if there's a root, do we take the positive value or the negative value? Like,
Don't ask me anything.
answer.
Ma'am, I sent you answers.
Yeah, I
You
can
received
see.
it?
I can see it. All together should come. Fire's perfectly done. Okay, the way you have sent is perfect.
Ma'am, I sent it by mistake. Can I send it again?
This is not what I want.
Sorry, ma'am.
Mom, even I sent you the answers.
This creates a confusion. Don't need not say. Do it. It disturbs the others. Soham, I want the video on.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I switched.
It's 44, 6 more minutes to go. Soham, the video should be on.
Ma'am, I've kept it on. I don't know why it's not showing. I've switched it
Sudesh,
on.
can I have the video on? Sudesh, Maurya, Taiya.
Sorry, ma'am, by mistake it was off.
Keep on sending me, need not speak out. Maurya? Nishan, Vivan, Nandita, what is it? Nishan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is the video off?
Ma'am, my internet is low, so if I keep my video on, I won't be able to see the screen share.
Won't you speak out like that? Should you? Vivan, what about you? Nandita?
Ma'am, my mom actually told the PTM.
How long will that take? Because you're writing tests now, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's actually showing that the bandwidth is low right now.
Okay. But how come this can be on?
Even I have sent you the answers.
Please don't say, it's all blinking here. I can see. Need not speak. Taiya again switched it off. For what? Yeah. Mansi
The
also.
connection here is unstable.
Mansi? Chalo, chalo, do it.
Ma'am,
Do it, do it.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, actually, I forgot to add something on the answer, like while typing.
That's why I say write down the answer in your notebook. If you're final with it, 10 minutes is a long time. And then only type it out. Otherwise, I am in a very, very bad shape. I have to search for answers here and there. Do it now, but then this would be the last thing. And others, check that you have done it right and then only post it. In another 3 minutes, I'll put it off.
Ma'am, can you read the third question? It's very blur.
Solve each of the following quadratic equations. 9x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0.
Thank you, ma'am.
Carry on, carry on. (9:48), 2 more minutes to go. All those who would not be able to do it, because I'll switch off the chat box, I'll disable it. Then don't tell me, because I cannot again enable it. The things that would be saved by then.
Ma'am, after solving the answers, we should means in the chat box we have to write the answers and send it to you. Right?
Yes, yes, I showed you, right, Sia? How to write?
Ma'am, I did not understand.
One, and then put the answer. One, you can put a dot or you can put a bracket. Give the answer, put some space. Two, chalo, it's already 50. I'm stopping it. Anybody else who wants to post? Because only 44 are there. And in this 44, there are many duplicates also. Many answers have been replicated. So just check. I'm closing it now. Anybody else who wants to send faster?
Ma'am, I'm sending it.
Fast. Only 44 chats are there, wherein there are 46 candidates. "45 is there, okay, one more has to come. See ya faster. Ananya has not sent?
I sent, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I sent.
Perfect, it's perfect, perfectly done. Chalo. Anybody else who needs to send? No? Chalo, done. I'm stopping it now. One minute.
Ma'am, I sent.
Fine. And here I stopped. Okay? Chalo, done. Fine. We are done with it. Online CYP also over. I think we are done with the chapter. Quadratic equations. Am I right?
Now still 3 more questions are there.
What?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was it? Was it just for homework or something? I don't remember.
4.4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
First some was homework.
4.4.
First main was homework, ma'am, and there are 4 more mains in that exercise.
Yeah.
We are talking about exercise 4.4.
4.
Chal. Let's start. Exercise 4.4. I'll start sharing. I was ready with circles. Chalo, let's finish off an easy chapter. No issues. We'll do circles. We'll do constructions. We'll do stats, and then finally we'll take up the chapter on triangles. That would be the last. Okay.
Triangles, major portion is.
Major is only not there. It has become very light now. But anyhow, for constructions into the same notebook, no interleaf notebook is there also with you. Need not use also, but keep your geometry things ready on the table. So just remember that we'll have it anytime this weekend. Either this, we'll surely have it. Okay. And here
So first we're going to complete with constructions, then we're going to go to circles, right?
So sweet. No, just the other way around.
Oh, okay.
Because we learn tangents and all from the chapter of circles, and then we'll proceed to constructions. Okay. The CYP was too easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I thought a bit more tough it would have been.
No.
The same questions were given in the worksheet.
Good.
Yes,
who said that?
Pranav.
I might not get this week's worksheet.
Ma'am, I remember the answers.
Hey, don't say that publicly. Acha, who said I didn't get the worksheet?
Gautam. 7th worksheet.
Gautam, who's going to go and give it to you? Who will do that?
I saw in the link, it's not there.
Beta, if it is there for everybody, it is the same link.
Bro, you should...
No, the thing is what, sometimes a lot of data is left in the cache. So you clear it off and then again check the link. Because many old things might also be there. So just check it out, okay? Now moving ahead. So question number 1, you had homework. We had done only which part?
All 3 were
homework.
Oh, what was the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, exercise 4.4, ma'am.
That's what I so suddenly. Before I forget, today 4th 5th period will go on a virtual tour, okay, but there also we will do maths. So the thing is, both the classes would be combined, fine. So, and both, like now you will all join with 10th A ID. Clear? All of you understood? So 10th A ID will be used, what you are using now, fine. Don't be left out there itself.
Also, we'll be clicking on the maths link.
Maths link? Yeah, class 10th A link. How did, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. Same link itself.
Yeah, maybe.
Except chemistry and second language, for every other subject, it's the same link.
So why is this boy asking me that?
Sudesh, very great.
Everybody is great. Question number 1. What's the answer? What are the roots?
No real
Ma'am,
roots.
there are no real roots.
Wonderful. So don't be a donkey. Always
And
check.
11th one was also in homework.
Yes. Others have surely forgotten. That's why they didn't remind me. Acha. Now listen to me.
did it.
First, check the nature of the roots, and then, if possible, then only give the roots. So you said it is no real roots. What about the second
real
part?
roots.
What about the second
Ma'am,
part?
it has
Ma'am, it has
a root that is
real
2
and
by
equal
root
roots.
3 and 2 by root 3.
Fine. That's
Equal root.
fine. So it is 2 upon root 3 and again 2 upon root 3 because they are equal roots. What about the third part?
Ma'am, they have distinct roots.
Are distinct roots.
That is 3 plus
K
root 3 by
root.
2 or 3
and
minus
3
root
minus
3 by
root
2.
3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Does anybody have any issues with the questions? Tell me that.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Charvi, can I see the homework, Charvi, fast?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Gauri, no issues with the homework?
No, ma'am. I could finish it.
Okay.
Ma'am, Mansi is telling that she got disconnected and she'll join as soon as possible.
Who?
Mansi.
Acha, theek. Okay. Charvi, come on, notebook fast.
Ma'am, worksheet, right?
No. We are talking about exercise 4.4, Charvi.
Ma'am, I couldn't do it.
Why?
I didn't know.
See, from here also I know that you have not done. From here also I can say who has done and who has not. Why you couldn't do? Very few sums were there. Why you couldn't do?
Ma'am, I didn't know.
What you didn't know? What you didn't know? Suraj, can I see the question? Question number 1.
Doubt in that.
Who is that?
Ananya.
Ananya, can I? Ananya, can you see Suraj's answer? Ananya?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Suraj, hold on for some time.
Okay, yeah.
What okay, yeah? Did you
I'm able to
understand?
see, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm able to see.
Wind it up fast. For the others, going back to question number 11 in the previous exercise 4.3. Apurva, what's the answer for the 11th one? Sum of the areas of 2 squares is given. If the difference of the perimeters is given, find the sides of the 2 squares. What's the answer?
The sides are 12 meter and 18 meter.
Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Thank you, Suraj. Thank you. Anybody else has any doubt till now so far, Tanushri, in question number 1?
No, ma'am.
No, perfect. What was the next homework for you all? Question number 2.
No, ma'am. That's it.
No, that's it.
No, ma'am, that's all. And then the worksheet.
Worksheet, the answer key is already there with you. Did anybody face any issues? Then we can redo it. Otherwise, we'll not look into that at the moment because I am not getting the next period also today. Chalo, let's start with question number 2, the second part.
Ma'am, we have the next period, right? Why?
No.
Yeah, ma'am. It's only in the 6th period.
Maths is
This
6th
in
period.
4th and 5th.
Yes, ma'am, maths is 6th
Oh,
period.
I'm missing out on 9th. I'm missing out on grade 9th class. Achha,
Yeah.
Chalo, question number 2, do the second one. Find the values of k for which each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal roots. So when we are saying that they have equal roots, what is it that we should have in our mind?
Discriminant is 0.
The discriminant is 0. So the first thing that you have to start with is with the discriminant. Fine with that?
The screen is
Fine. Okay. So it's already actually wanted a notepad out here to cover it. Anyhow, no issues. So all those who can do the sums need to move ahead. So the only thing that we have to keep in mind, since they are equal roots, we have d as equal to 0. And d is what? B square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. That means what? B square should be equal to 4ac. This should be my what? Equation that I need to now put in the values. Now in the question, what is it? I have to open it up. So it is kx into x minus 2 and all this. So when you open it up, you get it in this form. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6. So in that way, what is the value of b? What is b here? When you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c?
Minus 2.
Minus 2k.
Perfect, minus 2k. So here I'll put in the value of b as minus 2k whole square. And that is equal to 4 into what is a? If I compare, a is
K.
k. K into what is c? 6. Am I right there? Value of c is 6.
Yes.
So we get it in the form of 4k square. Wait. 4k square is equal to 24k. So k is nothing but equal to how much?
6.
6
or
0.
Ma'am, at 0 it can't be, so 6.
Yes, ma'am. So it's 6.
6 or 0. Perfect. Okay with that? Any issues? Shall I proceed to the next question now? This we have done the question number 2, the second part. The first part goes home. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Do the question number 3. I wanted a notepad. Oh, you people don't look this side. I want you all to do it on your own. Go ahead with question number 3. I'll just check for a notepad. Start with question number 3. You have your textbooks with you.
I'm done.
Page number. Page number.
Why is a student asking about the page number from a teacher? That is something very, very absurd.
I thought you had the text.
Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? So it's rectangular. So length is twice its breadth and the area is given. If so, find its length and breadth. So what should be the, Sia? The length is twice its breadth. So from here, what do I consider as x, y, z or something?
I'm done.
Sia, tell me.
The area of the mango grove will be 2.
Huh? Gone. She got stuck again. Dhruv, what do I consider as an unknown variable in the length and the breadth and the area?
Ma'am, you can come, you can take the breadth as L.
Fine, breadth is L, so
and
length is?
the length will be 2L.
Length is 2L. So what is the form? What is the
area of the mangrove will be 2L square is equal to 800.
Perfect. So here goes your equation. So what's the answer you people have got?
Yes, it's possible.
20 meter and 40
20 and 40 meters.
Yeah. Because if you solve it, you are getting the answer as plus minus 20, right? Fine. So if it is plus minus 20 minus, so you cannot consider. So you will take it as 20 and 40. Harsha, could you write the CYP because you joined very late?
Yes, ma'am.
Chal, good. Done with it, all of you?
Time.
Exactly time?
I think 30 seconds or something. I'm not sure.
Left or not? Shall do the fifth one and let's wind up fast. That's the last.
30 seconds left.
30 seconds left. No, chalo, good. Left, yes. Fifth one, and with that, I will not take up this chapter the next period. Next period, I'll start circles.
Thank you.
Is it possible? Whenever the question is there, is it possible or not? That means basically you have to check the discriminant value, whether it is real. If it is not real, no, you cannot work out. So is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth.
From length and breadth will be both 20 meter and 20 meter.
20 meter and 20 meter. That means what? You surely found the discriminant to be 0. Surely the discriminant was 0. That means it is real and equal. That means that shows that yes, you can have, it is possible. This is the first part of the question, so don't be confused when they ask like this. That means they want you to check. So then you will write, yes, it is possible. You get a half a marks there. Shrishti, okay? And
Ma'am,
then
it's not like it's a rectangle, right? But if both length and breadth are same,
fine, it is.
so
They cannot say it's a quadrilateral, otherwise you will not be able to apply the formula, right?
it's a square, so that's
A
why.
square is also rectangle, am I right?
Okay, like that way also we can
Okay, like,
consider
of course.
like that this is this also and parallel. Okay.
That's it. What else?